start discussing what is BTP, right? So we already know about the BTP. So the full form we already know, and also what is the use case also we know the BTP. But the BTP is the same full form. I'm not going to revise the full form or something. So it's the same abbreviations, same subject. Okay. So it's a business technology platform. So in the name itself, we have a platform. So which means it's a platform as a service. So in the cloud terminology, as I discussed in the demo, so we have the three cloud types, right? Infrastructure as a type, platform as a service, and we have one more, software as a service. BTP is comes under the platform. BTP comes under the platform as a service, right? Platform as a service means what? So it provides the one of the platform directly. You can go ahead and you can subscribe your related services. Also, you can deploy on own your data center infrastructure providers, right? So BTP can stand for Business SAP Business Technology Platform, which is a collection of bundle of SAP services, products, and solutions. It's a bundle of. So it's same kind of, just you can relate to the Amazon. When you go to the Amazon cockpit, so in the Amazon, you have the bundle of SAP. So not the SAP, bundle of products, services, all those things are available, right? So products are available. You can just to subscribe it, book it, then you will get the order, right? Same as like here, the BTP is it's a one of the platform. So where you will get the list of means bundles of tons of services, the products and solutions from SAP, which are the free defined solutions are available. So directly the customer can go ahead and subscribe the service, then you can utilize it here. You can utilize it here. You no need to install, you no need to configure, you no need to maintain the data centers, so procure the license, all those things here. Directly, you can concentrate on the coding or business logic here. So SAP is trying to eliminate the hardware side and installations, operating. Suppose if you want to build the any application, what you require? You need the hardware, separate data center, place. Then you need to install the operating system. Then on the operating system license. Then on top of the operating system, so then you can just to install the one of the development application. There you can start doing the developments related things. So SAP is ready-made the all these solutions and services, which means you no need to concentrate on the infrastructure, place, data center, and network. So RAM, memory, space, all those things you no need to concentrate. Directly you can concentrate on the your business logic here, right? Business logic here. So that in this case, your timelines are reducing, right? The customer, the more happy with the timelines, also saving the money. These things, the mainly we will concentrate on the mainly these two things always, right? Efforts, so human errors, everything. So here, everything is managing by SAP, including the hardware. So and the software updates. So, but only services are available. You can just go ahead and pick up the service and you can start using that service here. That's it. Same kind of our OTT platforms here, right? You just subscribe it, just watch the whatever the movies, whatever the OTT platform you want to use it, you can use it here. So same kind of functionalities are in the, so here in the BTP also here, right? Which is a collection of so bundle of services, right? The products, bundle of services, and the products, bundle of services and the products and solution, ready-made solutions are available. So it kind of ready-made kitchen. Okay, BTP So why SAP introduced the BTP means it's kind of ready-made kitchen. So directly you can go ahead and you can cook it. That's it. You no need to build the house, kitchen house, and infrastructures and all those things. The ready-made things are available. Directly you can go ahead and kitchen. Right? Just in the same as like kitchen here. Right? It's a multi-cloud platform. It's a multi-cloud platform here. What is mean by multi-cloud means you can also deploy some services on the one cloud, some service on the another cloud here, right? So that provides the resources like so hardware and software resource to the customers here. Multi-cloud platform is on that cloud platform. In the cloud platform, what you will get here in the cloud platform, we are renting the computer resources. We are renting the computer resources here, like hardware, software, or so network, CPU, main, all the hardware means it will come, all these things will comes under here, right? So all those things are will comes under the hardware and software here. Right, so it's a multi-cloud platform, a multi-environment here, right? So that is the multi-cloud platform. So who are the cloud platform? So it's a customer choice. Customer choice means it's our choice to choose in which infrastructure provider, in which cloud platform you have to deploy your services. You need to choose it while creating the sub account. It's our wish. Okay, it's not the SAP wish. You need to deploy ABC service on the only AWS cloud only. It's our wish. We can deploy on your own either Azure or AWS or so GCP or Alibaba Cloud. So there the multiple cloud providers are there. So they can help you for, so they can support you for developing the or subscribing the or store the your business data. Store the your business data here. Right? They're the multi cloud providers here. Right? So this is the normally BTP, all the services, as I mentioned here, BTP is a collection of all the services and products and solutions. All those things are, they have categorized into five main pillars here. They have categorized into five main pillars here. So like database related services, like AI related services, and also we have the application development related services here, integration related services. All these services they have categorized into the five main pillars into the BTPA. That what we discussed in the last in the demo session here. So BTP allows customers to work directly on the solutions and coding rather than focusing on the installations and configuration. It's designed to help so organizations to become more intelligent and cloud-based solutions. So it will design it to help the customers, organizations to so become a more intelligent and sustainable solutions. You can run on the different hyperscaler like so AWS, some service on the AWS, some service on Azure, Google. So those things here we can, so you can use it here. So it is a portfolio of the all the technologies that allows you to transform your data into so value efficiently. You can transform your data here BTP, right? In the BTP you can transform. Sir, first of all, when the SAP introduced this BTP, and can you tell me about the history, right? So let's talk about the history of so SAP BTP here. So how they have rebranded, and when they have launched, so when they have started this platform as a service here, then what are the changes are happened, then why they have changed it to the BTP, business technology platform here, right? So let's come to that point here, history of BTP, right? So SAP in 2012 itself, it's not the, maybe the wording is the BTP, the wording is new, but in the 2012 itself, SAP entered into SAP entered into the PaaS market. SAP entered into the PaaS market here, right? SAP entered into the PaaS market here, right? In the 2012 itself, SAP entered into the PaaS market. So with which product they have entered into? SAP NetWeaver, SAP, so NetWeaver, SAP, so NetWeaver Cloud, SAP NetWeaver Cloud, they have entered into the PaaS market here. So that's why the short form that time Neo, maybe that time we are not there, but that time the short form Neo, the NetWeaver on demand, Neo Cloud, Neo platform. So that is the in the 2012 itself, SAP entered into the PaaS market here. That time they entered into the SAP NetWeaver Cloud, that is called the Neo platform here. So then after that, in the 2013, SAP, the Neo, the NetWeaver Cloud, then the NetWeaver Cloud. So they have the rename to the SAP HANA Cloud Platform. Maybe some of the guys you are aware of that HCP. SAP HCP HANA Cloud Platform, right? That time you may wording maybe you may heard it to the when you started our journey, SAP journey, you may heard about the SAP HCP HANA Cloud Platform, right? Then after that they have entered into the after that, so they have released the Cloud Foundry. There are the multiple new things they have entered here. So like a cloud platform in the 27 itself, there is a cloud foundry environment they have added. And in the 27 itself, what they have done is, so the HANA word, they have dropped the HANA word actually. Why? Because it's not only, they're not only providing only HANA cloud, other service also they are providing, and they have dropped the HANA word from the, so word HANA word, then they have changed it to, again they have a new name they have introduced called the SAP Cloud Platform. SAP Cloud Platform they have entered here in 2017 here, right? NetWeaver Cloud renamed to the HANA Cloud Platform. Then they have dropped the HANA word and they have changed it to the HANA Cloud Platform here. Up to some years, HANA Cloud Platform. So they have offered many things. Many customers started using it here. Existing SAP applications in their cloud side, they have started moving it here. But again, so again in 2021, so where in the Jan 2021, in Jan 2021, so they have rebranded. So SAP Cloud Platform, SAP2, they have rebranded to the BTP. They have rebranded to BTP here. Officially, the SAP brand was retired to support the SAP, the one platform strategy, and then the BTP was introduced as a new brand for SAP, right? So they have SAP Cloud Platform. The brand was retired, means they have removed that brand, they have changed their they have rebranded their to, so BTP as a new brand here was introduced, a new brand called the BTP. Why? Because, sir, why they have rebranded means it provides the extended functionality, but the core is still equivalent to the same. Formally what we have the cloud platform, the core is same, the core skills, the core functionalities are same, but additionally they are providing more than cloud platform. So the wording is different. So that is the reason they have rebranded their platform to the SAP BTP, Business Technology Platform here. So as per my knowledge, so what is the reason for they have rebranded cloud platform to the BTP, and why it is highlighted nowadays means, so the originally in the SAP Cloud Platform, originally they focused on the providing the cloud based services for business only. In the when they are in the cloud platform, SAP cloud platform, they started focusing on the providing the cloud-based services for business. So, however, the time went on and SAP realized that the platform was offering more than just cloud services. Not only cloud services, they are providing more than that. More than that here. So it is also included some of the technologies for the developments, integration, analytics. The more they have introduced into the cloud platform. So that's why so they have rebranded to better represent their platform into the so in the market they have rebranded the word to BTP, the SAP cloud platform to the BTP business technology platform. They have changed here. So this will help the new customers can understand the platform. The BTP platform is not limited to the only cloud, but also includes the various technologies, various tools and solutions to help the business with their overall whatever the business needs, overall the business, the technology needs. So they are providing more than that. That's why they have rebranded. Why? Because it's not only just providing the cloud services, they are providing more than that. So that's why to better represent, so they better represent in their market here, the better reflect into the market, they have changed their platform to the BTP business technology platform here. So they have all the services, all those things they have categorized into the 5 main pillars into the BTP. Okay, that is the history of the BTP here. Okay, got it? Any questions, anyone?
So what are the main changes happen between SAP and B2P?
What is the
Main changes happen.
uh, in the BTP? Okay, compared to the cloud platform to BTP, right?
SAP to yes.
Okay. So SAP to SAP, the main changes are they are introduced the cloud-based, they are introduced the some of the development related services, and they have introduced the and application development, analytics related services, databases, ASC and HANA database. Coming to the application side, we have the SAP ABAP environment. So coming to the so the Fury related, the build work zone, there are the many services they have included in the BTP, which are not there in the cloud platform here. In the cloud platform, it's only for the cloud related services like cloud related means they are not limited to the cloud development tools. And also we have the analytics cloud services, data. There are many things they have integrated, they have introduced into the in the frame of BTP here. That's why to better represent, they have changed their name to here. But you don't compare the differences. Here they have the limited services, but here limited plus the more tool services, more than that they have introduced it here. That's why they have categorized their services and solutions into the 5 main pillars here. One is the application development related services, and so we have the integration related, then so DB related, AI related, so and so analytics related. So all the services and tools they have categorized into the 5 main pillars here. So they're more than that core is core, but here also core, but more than that they're providing. Then, so what is the use of the maintaining the only cloud platform? Well, because we maintain the cloud platform, okay, this is limited to the only cloud customers. So no, it's not only for the cloud customers. This is for the all the businesses, all the enterprises, organizations. They can go for the BTP to extend their services and solutions, and the cloud side they can also integrate, they can also use this BTP cockpit. So BTP is a one of the centralized cockpit here. Normally you will get the accounts, so in the upcoming you will get more what is this, all those things. So
Okay, Satendra.
yeah. So coming to the BTP, they have the, so okay, I think yeah, let's go to the more here accounts, BTP accounts here, right? So then how can we get the accounts here, BTP accounts, right? So the BTP accounts, they're the, so normally we will get the BTP, suppose like coming to the structure wise, BTP structure wise or architecture wise. So we have the global account. Under the global account, we have the sub accounts. We can create the, so sub accounts like that. We can create the sub accounts here. So these sub accounts we need to integrate to the our on-premise systems here, our on-premise systems here. Then backend we have the SAP systems here, SAP systems, either it's SAP systems or in the on-premises or cloud. So then we can go for this one. So this is the global account here. This is the global account, global account, global account here. Global account represents to the your contract with the company. I will explain it. What is it exactly? So the architecture wise, if I talk about here, this is the global account here. Under the global account, you have the sub accounts. Sub accounts, you can deploy it. One or more sub accounts, you can create it here. So this is the cloud connectors here. Cloud. So yes, SCC, SAP cloud connectors. These are the SAP landscape here. SAP landscape here. All are the SAP landscape here. So here, if you see here, these all are in the, this all are in the our network, right? Our customer network here. But when it comes to the SAP, all the BTP, SAP cloud service are in the SAP network, right? Both are in the SAP network here. Both are in the two different networks. Both are in the two different networks here. So here, what exactly will happen here? So whenever global account, under the global account, we have to define the sub account. Sub account we have to create it here. The sub account is the business account which will connect to the our backend systems. So our, it will not directly connect to the our backend system via cloud connector. It will connect to the, it will connect to the our backend SAP systems here via cloud connector. It will connect to the our backend SAP systems here via cloud connector. It will connect to the our backend SAP systems here. Without cloud connector, so you cannot connect the, without cloud connector, your cloud based services you cannot connect to the our customer systems here. Why? Because BTP is the public services. These are the private. Our customer networks are the private service network. So public to public, we can connect it directly. But public to private, you cannot directly connect it here. You need to use the intermediate. You cannot to use the cloud connectors. So here the cloud connectors will play the very important role in the BTP. Cloud connectors will play the important role, very important role it will play it. So that if the cloud connector got disconnected or something is happened, your connection is gone. There is no connection to the your SAP business systems and your accounts, where the customer will use the applications which will use the sub accounts here. So here the first thing we are going to discuss about the what is the global account, then what is the sub accounts here, how to get the accounts, global accounts, then how to get the sub accounts here, then how to install the cloud connectors, then how to integrate the cloud connectors into SAP, then our sub accounts into the cloud connectors, the entire flow, this red mark flow, entire this red mark flow, how to do that one, right? If the flow is working without any connection issues, then we can do the our work here. If the flow is working, then we can do our work here, right? We can perform the all our other works, we can perform it. So if you take any, so here global account, you will get the high level. So the global account you will get from SAP based upon the contract with your company. With the contract with the SAP and your company, whatever the contract you made with the SAP, you will get the global account. Then all the list of services, solutions, tools are available under the global account only here. Then from here, you can create the business accounts. sub accounts you have to create it here. Development sub accounts, quality sub account, production sub account, like how you have the on-premise systems. Each system you need to create the one sub account, one sub account, one sub account. You need to create it here, right? So otherwise, one sub account you can integrate the development and the testing related, but in one account you cannot test the developers, and the testing accounts you cannot test it, right? That's why. So how based upon the your on-premise landscape, we can do the we can configure the sub accounts here, right? This is purely our responsibility, admin responsibility to the setup. So cloud connectors and the SAP and integrations, subscribing the services, the initial configurations, all those things we should know, right? And also global account also we should know about how many types of global account here. So what is the licensing model for the global account here? So pricing models, all those things. So we'll discuss. So tomorrow, today first class, I'm stopping here. But tomorrow I will discuss about the starting with the in this hierarchy, the starting with the global accounts and types of global accounts, how to get the global accounts here, how to get the BTP accounts here, right? So all the BTP, so there is a BTP cockpit actually. So BTP cockpit. BTP cockpit normally we will get, right? So when we contract with SAP, SAP will provide the one BTP cockpit URL. They will provide, say, web application. It's a web interface. It's central web browser interface for managing the all the structure. We will get the BTP cockpit. We will get it out. BTP cockpit, you will get it out here with respect to the global account. You will get the BTP cockpit, the web-based URL you will get from SAP. You will get from SAP here. Here we can manage and monitoring the all the BTP related services, accounts, creations, direct everything. Everything. This global account you will get, you will from the global account you will get in the form of web-based URL here. It provides the resources to onboarding, user management, cost, license, sub account. So several key functionalities are there. There we can use it here. So it's a main entry point to the cloud platform. BTP Cockpit is the main entry where you can access the all your accounts, applications, solutions, services. You can access, you can manage it, you can delete it, whatever you want. You can do it using the BTP. So Cockpit, BTP Cockpit here, right? So then how to get the BTP cockpit here? Then with respect to the global account, so what is the sub accounts? All those things we will get in the day-to-day classes here. Okay. So I'm stopping here, and since today is our first class, so to avoid like confusion, just stopping with the simple concept history and the architecture, how it will be flow. And we are coming with the first point, like hierarchy. In hierarchy, the first global accounts, then sub accounts discussions, then how to integrate the into the cloud connectors, then cloud connector installations and configuration, sub account integration into the cloud connector, then SAP integration into the cloud connector, then how to create the destinations, then how to do the connectivity test, how to subscribe the services, what are the things required, basic setup required in the sub account level to perform the sub account setup and everything here. Okay. So, and also the licensing model, cost, price, all those things also we'll discuss. Okay. That is about for today. So we'll connect tomorrow at exactly same 6 o'clock. Then full-fledged class will discuss from tomorrow onwards. Okay.